Hello guys, welcome back to the How To channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. First, launch the Instagram mobile application. After that, you will land on the home page of the app. Once you are here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and go to your following list. After that, you will see a list of all the people you follow on Instagram. Currently, the list is sorted by default. Tap on this option here in this menu where you can sort the list by default and date followed from latest to earliest appears. Assuming the people I want to check are those I followed recently, I will tap on here. After the list has been sorted, tap on the count of 1%. This will take you to the profile section of the person. As you can see from here, once you are here, tap on the profile setting of the user. It's this icon at the top right corner of the screen. It has 3 dots. After that, a section with options such as restrict, block, report about this account, see shared activity, hide your story, copy profile URL, and share this profile appears from the option. The one we need is this one named See Shared Activity. Once you land on the shared activity page, it is easy to know if the person has unfollowed you. If they have unfollowed, you will see this text here that says this person does not follow you, which means if they were following you initially, they no longer follow you. Now you can also see the date you followed this person at the bottom here. That's how to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my How To channel.